Hello, I am Shirley Pavarake. This video is about weak sick. Well, loneliness is a risk to our psychological health. It doesn't work you is right. That is why it is important to give uh, priority to our psychological health and that we practice emotional hygiene because a psychological wound cannot be treated, um, is not even now that is injuring, but you can't let yourself be canvassed. So that you can succeed, you had to fight feelings of helplessness. You had to take control of the situation and break this kind of negative cycle before it starts. Questions. Question 1. Doctor, which he said, when I became a psychologist, I began notice the favoritisms of a different class. And that is how we value the body much more than the maid. He favored every word. We all know how to maintain our physical health and how to practice hygiene, but what we know about our psychological health? Nothing. Um, Question 2. Yes, because many times we worry more about our physical experience and we forget about the most important thing. Um, the question two. Um, that is our mental health, and that is why we feel in the first mistake. What do you tell our children about emotional hygiene? Nothing, because we teach them the more physical hygiene to take care of their body and emotional hygiene. We forget it, and that is where our children suffer during the path of their life. Question 3. Loneliness is a significant long-term health rate in causes high cholesterol, even suppress the functions of the immune system, making you vulnerable to all kinds of disease and elements. Okay, question 4. According doctor, it is a three children who played with addictico plastic toys. The toy was to slide. Um, okay. According doctor, is the three children who played with plastic toys. The toy was to slide the red button, and the Q pipe happened out of the box. But one gear made but one girl made a mistake. Um, she only hurt her lip. Another boy tried to help her, and current than others can and slide the green button. And the pipe came out and the girl screamed with, with joy. Um, in conclusion, the three children with identical plastic toys but with very different reactions. I'm sorry, different reactions to fear what prevent them from succeeding. Was their mate because it made them believe that they couldn't. Um, sorry. Question three. Question five. Yes, many times I get the depressed and cried by I get and fight to to cheer myself back. Um, Six. Sorry, question six. Normally, we are human, and it's difficult for to change our weight of the thickens because we had suffered is through our mate and feelings aren't friends because they can better us in that moment or in pause. It's best to think and encourage oneself when we have emotion pain. The best thing is to have uh, compassion and give as good advise ourselves to continue advanced continue advanced is important. uh, Question 7. Ruminant is a bad habit which causes negative thought, and they are really a significant wreck, creating depressions, um, disorders and event many disasters. Disorders and event many the diseases. Thanks. Bye bye.